Next print method we're going to go over is secure print. So what secure print does is it puts it in another hold queue called the secure print queue, but it makes me put a pin code on that document. So as I print it, I can put whatever. I'm going to call this demo test, and I'm just for all intents and purposes here going to just pin it 1111. Hit OK, OK, and print. So the secure print queue looks like this. There's a little padlock on some documents there. So I'm going to select that. And then there is my print job where it says demo test. Now I'm going to hit start printing, and it's going to prompt me for that pin code, 1111. So now the print job comes out. So why would I want to use this? Well, let's just say you're printing a proposal that you don't want other people to see, or 2 departments are sharing a printer, or 3 departments are sharing a printer. One of them is a HR manager, and you're printing some sensitive documents. So it's kind of a combination of pin coding that document as well as a print hold. This is a fantastic method to be able to print in a secure way as to where prying eyes or people that are not authorized to look at what you're printing from taking those print jobs off the machine and looking at them. So it's a great way also to save paper and encourage a more sustainable environment in your office. It's also a great way to keep your documents secure, your printed documents secure, that is. So thank you for attending today's Accent Insights. We're looking forward to showing you more things next week, so stay tuned.